Hi everyone, welcome to English class. Today I am going to deliver a renowned topic of English grammar, that is degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. An adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another without changing the meaning of the sentence. It's called the degree of comparison of an adjective. There are three kinds of comparison. First one, positive degree. Second one, comparative degree. Third one, superlative degree. First, we are going to see positive degree. Positive degree is comparing one with another of the same level. For example, this pen is as good as your pen. Ooty is as cool as Kodaikanal. Here, this pen as well as your pen, both pen quality is same. That's mean good. Then Ooty as well as Kodaikanal, both places level of the cooling is same. Here, comparing one with another of the same level. Second one is comparative degree. Comparative degree is showing one better than the other. Comparing the quality of two persons or places or things is called comparative. For example, your house is bigger than my house. Ravi is taller than Ramesh. Here we are comparing one with another. See the first example, your house is bigger than my house. Here we compare both houses. Whose one is big or small? The second example also the same. Who is tall or short? Third one, superlative degree. Superlative degree is comparing one with all others. Comparing more than two persons, places, and things is called superlative. It is the highest degree of quality. For example, Gopal is the tallest boy in the class. Sachin is the best batsman. Here, we compare with more than two persons or group. Remember the following rules. We add er and est to most one or two syllable words that end in consonant. For example, small, smaller, smallest. To compare a monosyllabic word that ends with e, add or in the comparative and st in the superlative. For example, fine, finer, finest, large, larger, largest. If an adjective ends with y and the y is preceded by a vowel, add er in the comparative and est in the superlative. For example, gay, gayer, gayest, grey, grayer, greyest. If an adjective ends with y and the y is preceded by a consonant, the y changes into I and becomes IER in the comparative and IEST in the superlative. For example, dry, drier, driest, happy, happier, happiest. If an adjective ends with consonant and the consonant is preceded by a vowel, double the consonant and add er in the comparative, est in the superlative. For example, big, bigger, biggest, hot, hotter, hottest. If an adjective ends with consonant and the preceding letters are double vowel, add er in the comparative and est in the superlative. For example, cool, cooler, coolest, deep, deeper, deepest. Adjective having two or more than two syllables, put more before the adjective in the comparative and most in the superlative. For example, faithful, more faithful, most faithful, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Irregular comparison. For example, well, better, best, bad, worse, worst, little, less, least, much, more, most. Now we are going to learn some examples how to change the degree. Here, PD means positive degree, CD means comparative degree, SD means superlative degree. First, we have to learn this tabular column. With the help of the tabular column, we can change the degree easily. Let us see first type. In first type, positive degree and comparative degree both also have affirmative and negative sentence. Negative sentence means you have to add not with auxiliary verb. In positive degree, affirmative sentence you have to add as, and negative sentence means you have to add so as. In comparative degree, adjective plus er or more plus adjective plus than. Keep it in your mind. When you're changing positive degree to comparative degree in first type, you should change affirmative sentence into negative, negative sentence into affirmative. Let us see some examples. First type. For example, Ram is as tall as Govind. When you are changing positive degree to comparative, meaning should not change. Here, Ram and Govind are equal in their height. But when you are changing comparative degree, you have to change as well the tabular column. Sentence should be in the negative form. Then only meaning won't change. Next one, your house is not so big as my house. If they have given positive degree in negative form, you have to change comparative degree in the affirmative sentence. So, what is the answer? My house is bigger than your house. Next one, apple is costlier than orange. Here, when you are changing comparative degree to positive degree, you should bring object beginning of the sentence. Okay, so here, what is the object? Orange. So, orange is not so costly as apple. Next one, Mysore is not so hot as Chennai. Here, question is positive degree and negative sentence. So, how will you change into comparative degree? Chennai is hotter than Mysore. Let us see second type. In second type, positive degree, no other plus adjective. No other is a clue word. With the clue word only we have to identify what kind of degree and its type. Next one, comparative degree, adjective plus er or more plus adjective than any other. Then superlative degree, the plus adjective plus est or most plus adjective. For example, no other river is so holy as the Ganges. Here, this is the positive degree and the second type. So, how will you change into comparative degree? The Ganges is holier than any other river in India. And when you are changing into superlative degree, the Ganges is the holiest river in India. Next one, no other leader is as great as Gandhiji. This is the positive degree. When you are changing into comparative degree, Gandhiji is greater than any other leader. And when you are changing to superlative degree, Gandhiji is the greatest of all leaders. Let us see third type. In third type, positive degree, very few plus adjective. Very few is the clue word for positive degree. In comparative degree, adjective plus er or more plus adjective plus than, many or most other. In superlative degree, one of the plus adjective plus est or most plus adjective. For example, very few English poets are as great as Wordsworth. This is the positive degree. When you are changing into comparative degree, Wordsworth is greater than many other English poets. The same sentence if you change into superlative degree means Wordsworth is one of the greatest English poets. Let us see the exercise. The donkey is the laziest animal. First you have to identify degree and its type. Here they have given superlative degree and second type. So how will you change into positive degree? You have to use no other and select the object. Here which is the object? Animal. Animal is the object. So what is the answer? No other animal is so lazy as the donkey. Second one, cycle is the cheapest vehicle. When you change into comparative degree, cycle is cheaper than any other vehicle. Next one, you are as busy as a bee. Here they have given positive degree and first type and affirmative sentence. So when you are changing into comparative degree, you have to write negative sentence. How will you write the answer? A bee is not busier than you. Next one, Kannadasan was more efficient than most other Tamil poets. This is the comparative degree. How will you change into superlative degree? Kannadasan was one of the most efficient Tamil poets. Here I have given some exercise, children. You have to do yourself and check yourself. Thank you, children.